How to fix no GPS signal lost in phone 4A. First of all, software update. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, disable battery optimization. Open setting, scroll down, click on battery, scroll down, click on optimize charging and turn off this button. After turning off this button, disable battery optimization from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Again open settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on erase all data, factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, music, photo, picture files will be permanently erased or deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix no GPS signal lost in phone 4A. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.